all day with a face mask. In this episode of Health Topic, we enumerate the top 5 latest and most vital tips on wearing your face mask all day in the fight against COVID-19. Hello, and welcome to another edition of Health Topic. In this channel, we share amazing insights and provide crucial information on health and well-being, especially during the current global health crisis. With the ongoing uncertainty surrounding COVID-19, it is incredibly challenging to sort information and guidelines on how to protect yourself and your loved ones from the virus. Wearing masks has been proven to reduce the spread of the virus, along with maintaining social distancing and proper hand hygiene. Today, wearing a face mask is the primary requirement before going out of your house, when going to work, getting groceries, or transacting in banks and other establishments. It is essential to, at least, wear your face mask. In this episode, we lay out the latest news and updates about wearing your face mask throughout the entire day. For example, is it true that wearing a face mask for a long period of time cuts your oxygen levels or reduces air quality? Does working out or going for a run with a face mask cause hypoxia? If you can, how can you keep your face mask clean? Does wearing your face mask all day do more harm than good? Stay with us until the end of this episode and hear the 5 latest facts you need to know about wearing your face mask all day. Number 1. Wearing a face mask when working out or running. With the increase of new COVID-19 cases daily, countries have imposed mandates to wearing face masks in public places, especially in settings wherein social distancing measures are difficult to maintain, like grocery stores, banks, and pharmacies, for example. This also includes going out for a run, exercise, or other activities that take you closer to other people. With reports surrounding the risks of wearing a face mask while working out or doing other strenuous activities, some people are hesitant to follow this health protocol. Others avoid the idea of going out to exercise altogether. To put an end to the misinformation, a medical doctor ran 22 miles to and from work with a face mask. Tom Lawton works at the Bradford Royal Infirmary in Yorkshire, North England, and has access to legitimate equipment like a pulse oximeter, a device monitoring the amount of oxygen carried out around the body. He used this to prove to those who are scared of developing hypoxia when exercising with a mask on that his oxygen levels never fell below 98% of what it would usually be. In short, wearing your mask to work out will work out just fine. Number 2. Does wearing your mask all day cause hypoxia, hypoxemia, hypercapnia, and carbon dioxide intoxication? As there is still uncertainty about the complete nature of COVID-19, misinformation on the internet has spread. Some people claim that wearing face masks, especially the tight-fitting N95, can reduce oxygen levels resulting in hypoxia, hypoxemia, hypercapnia, and even CO2 poisoning. Neither the Centers for Disease Control and the World Health Organization have issued warnings about oxygen depletion or carbon dioxide poisoning when using face masks for prolonged periods of time. Surgeons, scientists, and other health professionals commonly use face masks, specifically the tight-fitting N95 respirator mask, for prolonged periods of time. Additionally, surgical masks and fabric masks are of a looser fit and are porous, making it highly unlikely to cause oxygen depletion and affect normal respiratory functions in any way. So, if doctors can wear face masks for day-long surgeries and have been for years with no complications, so can you. Number 3. Cleaning your fabric face mask. In addition to hand hygiene, social distancing, and other basic health protocols, wearing a face mask has been proven to slow the spread of COVID-19. With N95 and surgical masks running short, others have made use of fabric cloths to use for day-to-day activities. Others still have even made their own fabric face masks from old sheets or leftover cloths. Doctors have advised that a weekly wash should be fine, given that it's not soiled, but washing it at the end of the day would be best. If you were in the presence of someone showing symptoms, the face mask should be washed immediately. To clean the mask, it can simply be thrown in with the rest of your laundry. So, no special soaps or bleaches required. Did you find these new facts about wearing face masks helpful? Stay with us until the end of the video to learn all about keeping your face mask clean, the do's and don'ts of wearing your face mask, and how to make your own cloth mask. Number 4. How to wear masks properly. Since wearing a mask when out in public places or within the presence of other people is a primary safety measure against COVID-19, it is essential to do it properly. The Centers for Disease Control have given advice on how to wear masks properly to maximize their effectiveness against spreading the virus. These points include: 1. It must cover your mouth and nose at all times, from nose bridge to under the chin. 2. It must fit snugly and comfortably against the sides of your face. 3. The ear loops or ties must be secured. 4. The fabric must have 2 or more layers. 5. The mask must allow for unrestricted breathing. And 6. The mask must be laundered without being damaged or reshaped. Number 5. Materials to making a cloth mask. Especially in areas where surgical face mask supplies are running short, some have taken the initiative to make their own cloth face masks as an immediate preventative measure. There are a lot of instructional videos or articles on how to make a cloth mask, but the materials used to make it can already be found in your closet, like bandanas, hand towels, scarves, or other items made of cotton or linen. Thicker and more densely woven fabrics are best. You can hold the fabric up to the light. The less light it allows to go through, the better. To provide added protection, other cloth mask makers have devised a pocket in their masks so a filter can be inserted. Filters vary from coffee filters, unused vacuum cleaner bags, furnace filters, HVAC anti-allergy filters, and other air filters. The important thing to note when using a filter for your cloth mask is to secure it between at least 2 layers of cloth to prevent inhalation of potentially harmful fibers from these filters. Ultimately, making your own cloth mask is about ensuring the balance between stopping respiratory droplets passing through and ensuring you can breathe properly with your cloth mask in place. You've just heard the latest facts about wearing your face mask in the fight against COVID-19. Did you have something in mind you wish to share? What are other ways to maximize protection when wearing your face mask? Let us know what you think in the comments below. In every crisis, doubt, or confusion, take the higher path, the path of compassion, courage, understanding, and love. If you have enjoyed this video and wish for us to make more informative and enjoyable content, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to be the first to receive content on health, wellness, and prosperity. Thank you for spending your time with us, and we'll see you again for our next health topic.